PP and PET, both non-woven polymers, very different materials. Choosing wrong costs you yield, compliance, and margin. Polypropylene nonwoven, 10 to 200 GSM, continuous heat resistance to 90 degrees Celsius, hydrophobic by nature, lower raw material cost. Polyethylene terephthalate nonwoven, 30 to 500 GSM, withstands 150 degrees Celsius continuous, higher tensile strength, better UV stability. At identical GSM, PET runs 60 degrees hotter and holds higher tensile load. PP wins on cost and processability at lower weights. Medical, hygiene, and agriculture, PP. Automotive filtration, thermal insulation, and industrial geotextile, PET. Match the polymer to the end use.